How to use PayPal on SHEIN. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use PayPal to make the payments on your SHEIN. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your SHEIN app. Make sure you're logged in. You can also do this from the website. After you do so, after you log in, you can then start ordering whatever you want. So just find what you want. So let's say that I want this, so I'll add it to my cart. Tap on add to cart, and after you add it to your cart, let me choose this and add it to my cart. Now I can head over to my cart and go through with the checkout process. So tap on checkout, and there you'll find your payment methods. It should look something like this, where you'll find pay with PayPal. Tap on pay with PayPal and proceed with that. And that's basically how you use PayPal on your SHEIN. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.